Fetch Rewards lets users earn points by scanning receipts from everyday purchases, which means you can turn normal grocery and shopping trips into rewards without changing what you buy. By the end, you'll know how Fetch Rewards works, how the points system works, and whether the time spent scanning receipts is worth it for you. Fetch Rewards is a receipt scanning rewards app. You download the app, create an account, and upload photos of your receipts to earn points. The app is designed around rewarding users for purchases they are already making. The main reason people use Fetch is simplicity. You do not have to complete surveys, play games, or search for specific offers before earning. The basic process is buying items, keeping your receipt, and submitting it through the app. The value depends on how often you shop and how consistently you use it. Someone who regularly buys groceries, household items, or other everyday products has more opportunities to collect points than someone who rarely makes purchases. Fetch also uses special offers and promotions that can provide additional points on qualifying purchases. That means checking available offers before shopping can help you earn more from the same receipt. The biggest thing to understand is that Fetch Rewards is not designed to replace an income source. The rewards come from small amounts collected over time, so the app works best as a simple cashback-style tool for purchases you already plan to make. Before downloading, consider 3 things. First, look at your shopping habits. If you already save receipts and make frequent purchases, the app fits naturally into your routine. Second, check whether you are comfortable spending a few extra seconds after shopping to scan receipts. The process is simple, but the rewards depend on actually using the app consistently. Third, compare it with other cashback and rewards apps. Different apps focus on different earning methods, so choose one that matches how you already spend money. Fetch Rewards is worth trying if you want a low-effort way to earn rewards from everyday receipts. It is less useful if you expect large payouts or do not want to track purchases. The practical next step is to download the app, scan a few recent receipts if available, and see whether the rewards you earn match the effort you put in. If this helped you understand whether Fetch Rewards is worth using, like the video, and subscribe for more app reviews and money-saving comparisons.